Hey guys, in this video I'll show you step by step on how to withdraw money from Binance GBP UK. So to withdraw your money from Binance GBP UK, all you have to do now, after you open up your Binance app like this now, go ahead and tap on this more option. After you tap on this more option in the Binance home page, so tap on this search and search for P2P. After you search for P2P like this now, go ahead and open the P2P option. So from this option now, go ahead and tap on this sell button. After you tap on this sell button, now tap on this section to select GBP and search for GBP. So make sure to select GBP in this option. So from this option now, go ahead and tap on this. So in this option now, go ahead and tap on this payment. Make sure to select bank transfer or any payment method that you want to use. So I'll use bank transfer and tap on this confirm. After you select bank transfer, in this option now, go and specify the amount that you want to withdraw to your bank. Let's say I want to withdraw 300 GBP to my bank account. So as you can see now, from this option now, Binance will give me different merchants, different people that are currently located in UK, and they will pay me the money directly into my bank account. So let's say I'll go with this person who will be able to pay me in 15 minutes. This one is 45 minutes, but I will prefer with 15 minutes. It is more faster. After you select the person from this option, as you can see now, I'll be able now to give them your 387.14 USDT. Then they will give me 300 GBP to my bank account. Then from there you can tap on this option to select your bank. So from this option now, go ahead now and tap on this add bank, or as you can see now, here is it now, add bank transfer. So it will give you option to add your bank like this one. As you can see now, here is now my bank. It will appear like this after you finish adding the bank detail. So after you finish adding your bank, all you have to do now, tap on this place order. From there, the person will be able to pay you in just 15 minutes. After you receive the payment, you go ahead and check it in your bank account. After you receive the payment, then you can come back to this page and tap on this paid. So after you receive the payment, this place order button, it will change to paid button. After you tap on the paid, from there Binance will release your USDT to the person, since you already have since you get the GBP, he sent you the GBP into your bank account. That's it guys on how to transfer money from, or how to withdraw money from Binance GBP UK. That's it. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe.